What I promised is that I would treat everyone the exact same. I would treat everyone fairly. I would try to help people as I did in my prior work as the court-appointed defense counsel here. And that's exactly what I think I've been doing. I protect the Constitution of the United States. I protect people's rights that come through here. And like I've said many times before, it doesn't matter to me anything about your status. You come into court, no matter your religion, your race, your sexual orientation, if you're male, female, if you're old or young, it doesn't matter to me. You come here and you expect to be treated fairly and with respect. And that's exactly what I do with everyone. I try to help you if I can. I will give you the opportunity to try to help yourself. I'll put that in place. But if you show me that you're not taking advantage of the break that I'm giving you, then I go to step number 2. I don't like step number 2, but I'm not afraid to go there if I have to. When you're a defense lawyer, your job is to step yourself into the shoes of your client and do the exact best that you can do within the bounds of the law for that client, as they would do for themselves if they had your experience and your knowledge. Being a judge is different. You still try to help people as much as you possibly can, but you don't step yourself into the shoes of the defendant. You step yourself into the shoes of the public. And if I can help someone and that helps the public, which goes hand in hand, then that's what I do. If I need to punish someone to help the public, then I punish them. It all depends on the situation. Sometimes third chances are good. It takes people to learn. You get older and you get wiser, and you see how your conduct is affecting the development of your life. And at some point in time, some people get it the first time, some get it the second time, some get it the third time, some get it the 10th time. Okay, as long as you get it, that's what I want. There are 2 major problems that we're facing here in the city. One's a little one and one's a big one. The big one is the opioid addiction. That is rampant. When someone gets addicted on opiates, what happens is they at first start taking pills, either through a prescription that they received or they buy the pills off the street. At some point in time, when they're addicted to it, they learn that heroin is cheaper and more readily available. They start doing heroin. Once someone gets into that lifestyle, it is extremely hard to get out of it. The little problem is the suspended license cases. These young people, they get tickets, and either because they're not mature enough or they don't have the money, they don't pay the ticket. Once they don't pay the ticket, then they get pulled over next time, it's a misdemeanor, driving on a suspended license. They get the tickets for driving on suspended license. They've got to pay pretty hefty fines and costs here. They've got to pay the Secretary of State a driver responsibility fee. And every time they get these driving on suspended licenses, it just doubles and triples and quadruples things. And it gets to the point to where they now make it almost impossible for them to get their license. I like this job. I like this job a lot. I really feel that I'm made for this job. I'm doing the best I can. I'm being very thoughtful in what I do. This job isn't about me at all. It isn't about my ego at all. It's about the people that come in front of me, seeing what their problem is, and trying to straighten that problem out.